Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Hamsnitude. Today we are here to share the important days and themes of August month. Every year, 1st August is observed as National Mountain Climbing Day and Yorkshire Day. National Mountain Climbing Day is celebrated on 1st August to tribute Bobby Matthews, Josh Madigan. These two men climbed the 46 high peaks of New York State's Adirondack Mountains in the year 2015. Another special day, Yorkshire Day, is also celebrated on 1st August to celebrate the largest country in the UK, Yorkshire. This day is remembered to honor everything about the history of the country. 3rd August, World Sanskrit Day and Raksha Bandhan. World Sanskrit Day, also known as Sanskrit Divas, is celebrated every year on Shravana Purnima, that is the Purnima day of the Shravana month in the Hindu calendar, which is also marked as Raksha Bandhan. In 2020, this day is being observed on 3rd August. The day commemorates the ancient Indian language of Sanskrit and aims to promote its revival and maintenance. Raksha Bandhan is specially meant for the eternal bond and love that brothers and sisters share with each other. 4th August, US Coast Guard Day and Friendship Day. The US Coast Guard Day is celebrated to recognize and appreciate the creation of the Revenue Marine on 4th August in 1790 by the Secretary of the Treasury Alexander Hamilton. Friendship Day is a day of friendship when friends promise to stay by each other's side through thick and thin by tying a friendship band. Hiroshima Day is observed on 6th August in the memory of those who lost their lives on August 6, 1945 due to a nuclear bomb attack in World War II. On this day, atomic bomb was dropped on the Japanese city Hiroshima. In this attack, an entire city of Hiroshima in Japan was demolished and thousands of people lost their lives. 7th August, International Beer Day and National Handloom Day. International Beer Day is celebrated on August 7th. Since 2007, the day is celebrated. The tradition started in California. The International Beer Day falls on the first Friday of August month. The Union government had declared 7th August as the National Handloom Day in July 2015 with the objective to generate awareness about the importance of handloom industry. August 7 was chosen as the National Handloom Day to commemorate the Swadeshi movement, which was launched on this day in 1905 in the Calcutta Town Hall to protest against partition of Bengal by the British government. The movement had aimed at reviving domestic products and production processes. 1st to 7th August, World Breastfeeding Week. Theme: Support breastfeeding for a healthier planet. Next one is 8th August, Quit India Movement Day. 78th anniversary of August Kranti Din or the Quit India Movement Day is noticed on 8th August. On this day in 1942, the Quit India movement began at the All India Congress Committee session in Bombay. 9th August, Nagasaki Day and International Day of All Indigenous Peoples. On 9th August, Nagasaki Day is celebrated in the remembrance of those people who lost their lives in the nuclear attack by America on Nagasaki in 1945. The another day which lies on 9th August is the International Day of the All Indigenous Peoples. It is observed to raise awareness regarding the protection and promotions of human rights made for indigenous people. Theme: COVID-19 and Indigenous Peoples' Resilience. 10th August, World Biofuel Day. Theme: Biofuels towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. 12th August International Youth Day and World Elephant Day. International Youth Day is celebrated on 12th August to give attention to the growth and development of young minds that are the youth of the nations. This day focuses on the young minds development and protection. Theme: Youth Engagement for Global Action. Note: National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January, being the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Another day on 12th August is World Elephant Day, whose main motive is to bring people together to save giant elephants and help them to survive in a better way. 13th August International Left-Handers Day. 13th August is observed globally to celebrate International Left-Handers Day. August 2020 will be the 44th International Left-Handers Day. The day also helps in spreading consciousness about obstacles one faces in life for using the left hand as the dominant one instead of right. 14th August Pakistan Independence Day. Pakistan celebrates its independence on 14th August. Previously, India and Pakistan were one nation and they separated in the year 1947. Pakistan celebrates its 73rd Independence Day this year. 15th August Indian Independence Day, National Mourning Day of Bangladesh and Day of Assumption of the Virgin Mary. India got independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. We celebrate 74th Independence Day this year. This day is also considered as the gazetted holiday in India. In Bangladesh, 15th August is observed as National Mourning Day. On this day, Bangladesh's first president, Sheikh Mujibur, was assassinated along with his family members. Among Christians, 15th August is celebrated as Assumption of Virgin Mary, with a belief that God assumed Virgin Mary into heaven after her death and celebrated in some parts of Europe and South America. 16th August Bennington Battle Day. This day devoted to the Battle of Bennington held in 1777 on August 16 in America, which is known as the Bennington Battle Day. 17th August Indonesian Independence Day. Indonesia got independence from the Dutch colonization in 1945. 19th August World Photography Day and World Humanitarian Day. World Photography Day is celebrated on 19th August globally. It is a worldwide celebration of the art, craft, science, and history of photography. Another day which is celebrated on 19th August is World Humanitarian Day. It is a day devoted to commemorating the contribution of individuals who sacrificed their lives for humanitarian services. On August 20, there are three different special days observed: World Mosquito Day, Sadbhavana Divas, and Indian Akshay Urja Day. World Mosquito Day is observed each year on 20th August. It is celebrated in the memory of British doctor Sir Ronald Ross, who discovered the root cause of the disease of malaria. The Sadbhavana Divas celebrated in the memory of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, who sacrificed his life in the service of the nation. The Sadbhavana Divas is observed to remember and acknowledge the great men's contribution to India as a nation. The other day which is celebrated on August 20 is Indian Akshay Urja Day. This day focuses on the growth of renewable energy sources in India. 21st August International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. World Senior Citizen Day. 23rd August International Day of Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition, and European Day of Remembrance for Victims of Stalinism and Nazism. On August 23rd, we observe these two important days. The first one is International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition. And the second important day is Remembrance Day dedicated to the victims of Stalinism and Nazism, which is called the European Day of Remembrance for the victims of Stalinism and Nazism. The day represents the ignorance of extremism, intolerance, and oppression. 24th to 28th August, World Water Week 2020. The 30th edition of World Water Week, which is organized by the Stockholm International Water Institute with the theme Water and Climate Change Accelerating Action. 26th August, Women's Equality Day. A day on which women in the United States got equal right to vote due to the 19th Amendment of the Constitution. 29th August, National Sports Day. One of the important days in the August 2020 is 29th August, the National Sports Day, also known as Rashtriya Khel Divas. The National Sports Day is memorialized on the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand, a legendary hockey player. Another important day on 29th August is International Day Against Nuclear Test. Next one, 30th August, International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances. Another important day on 30th August is National Small Industry Day, a day to encourage and motivate small industry entrepreneurs and employees for economic growth. 31st August, Malaysia National Day, Hari Merdeka. Malaysia's National Day is celebrated on 31st August every year, a day when Malaysia got independence from British rule in 1957. This decision is defined under Article 160 of the Constitution of Malaysia. Each Independence Day in Malaysia given a unique logo and theme, usually a slogan that promotes ethnic unity. This year, the Communications and Multimedia Minister Datuk Saifuddin Abdullah introduced the logo and theme during their working visit to Kuching, Sarawak. And the theme is Malaysia Prihatin, which means Malaysia cares. Yes friends, hope you like our video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Hamsini Tute. Thank you.